Winning the Gradam to me is something that's very, very special because I suppose growing up it was always a big event in our house in Tulla where we'd all sit down and we'd spend the night setting up to watch the Gradam, and I really always admired all those people who always got their awards, and they're always so deserving, and to be considered to be part of that and in the same level as the likes of the people who have won it before me and my great friends like Conor Connolly and Liam O'Brien is really, really special to me. Music was literally morning, noon and night. There wasn't a moment in the house where there wasn't music in the background because we run the music school in the house, of course. But there was always musicians coming through the house of all backgrounds and different cultures and all that. So it was a very cultured environment, very, very traditional environment to live in, I suppose, steeped in the East Clare style. So I couldn't avoid it really.
Lawer maithir agus mabháthir Gaeling fadlam nuair bhí sóg agus muintir maithir bhí anna gúil fad san óránaíocht go óránathe a bheithid go léir. So in sin nuair thosnaí sa múna scoile de chóscaíonn scoil ceoil gorchaig agus casach múntar ceoil múntar gohilúna ba chóirta mar arás fadlam sin John T. Horn. Níor bhíonn síimige sa cheol Gaelach ach de thug sé réimse mór gothagam. Bhí range de rá actifagum agus tá sé sin anna bhar fad. Agus de chéalaigh sé sin nuair a casach Seán ó Riada orm go raibh anán canna leis na húrla sí a bhí go siúd agus sin mar thosníos ag canna le cultúirí cólan. Nuair a bheith an Gradam seo áile gom be me cuioine bhar Seán ó Riada mar is cinnte mar a Seán na bheith an Gradam sin áile gomsa. So tá me chun dedicateáil ní féadam cuiine an focail gudí Seán ó Riada, sin rud a bháin. Rud eile go me cuioine bhar maithras má bháthir féin a leabhar Gaeling lum agus a ág mé le Gaeling má.
If I think about some of the people that have won that award before, Leanne Graham and like Saran and Rosie Stewart, Rita Gallagher, they're all people that I grew up listening to, I suppose, and I'm really honoured just to be on, on that list as well. So yeah, really delighted. You're definitely influenced by the singers that are around you, or the people, whoever you're listening to. So I think every singer has their own way of, their own stamp to put on traditional songs, and I just enjoy taking it all in.
I started Glengormley School of Traditional Music. I was the cultural officer at the time in our local GA club, Niviana, St Enda's in Glengormley, and I'd started running tin whistle classes on a Sunday morning, and it sort of grew from that. I mean, the wee class with 4 or 5 kids in the corner became 20 and 30 and 40 and 50, and the next progression was, then you start thinking, should we introduce more instruments? And that basically led to the decision, myself and a few other people, to try and set up a school of traditional music. Winning the Gradam is just an unbelievable honour. But I mean, actually still can't believe that we did, that we've had the award, Well,
there was a huge music scene in Manchester. There's many years of great flowers and loads of musicians, and there was always music every weekend. And then when I moved over the late 90s and I moved to Galway, so there was music every night of the week, so I was really spoiled really when I think of it. I'm absolutely delighted and over the moon and was completely shocked, and it's fantastic. It's great for going forward. I'm delighted.